The question today is on income tax, and the question reads, the table below shows the income tax rates in a certain year. So we have the table as shown. Then a man under basic salary of 18,600 per month and allowances amounting to 7,800 shillings per month. He claimed a personal relief of 1,080 shillings per month. Then calculate A, the taxable income in Kenyan pounds per annum. B, Roman 1, the gross tax per month. And then Roman 2, the net tax. And finally part C, his net monthly income. So write to the first part, the taxable income in Kenyan pounds. So taxable income is obtained by simply having the basic salary plus all allowances. And for this particular case, we are told that the basic salary is 18,600 plus the allowances, and all the allowances were amounting to 7,800. So when we add up this, we are going to get 26,400. So this is per month, because whatever we have here are per month for the basic salary, and the allowances also are per month. But remember, in the question, we are required to give our answer in Kenyan pounds per annum. Again, here we have it in Kenyan shillings. So in order to do our conversions, we are going to use this. So 1 Kenyan pound is equivalent to 20 Kenyan shillings. So using this, we'll do our conversions as follows. So we have 26,400 becoming 26,400 into Kenyan pounds. We divide it by 20. And because we're required to give our answer per annum, then we'll have to multiply by 12 months. And this should give us, in Kenyan pounds, 15,840 per annum. For B, Roman 1, the gross tax per month. So here we are going to do tax calculation, and I'm going to do a table. So on this table, we have the left-hand side will represent taxable income. And in this case, we are going to have the amounts in the currency we have on the left-hand side of this table, which is Kenyan pounds. So we have the amount in Kenyan pound. And then on the right-hand side, we will have the tax. And the tax will be in Kenyan shillings. So what is happening here? I've arrived at Kenyan shillings as follows. So on the left-hand side, we are going to multiply the values by the rate, so that if we have taxable income and the other side tax, so the taxable income is given in the unit Kenyan pounds, and for the tax, we are simply having Kenyan shillings per Kenyan pound. So when you are multiplying to get the tax, then we simply have Kenyan pound multiplying Kenyan shillings per pound. So the Kenyan pounds will cancel, and then the unit will remain with this Kenyan shillings. So this is how I've arrived at the unit for the tax. So using this, we are going to use whatever we have right up here, 15,840 in the table here. So this is the amount we are taxing. And remember, we had to express this in Kenyan pounds per annum, because on the table whatever we have here is Kenyan pounds per annum, so they need to match. So using it, we are going to look at the first band in the table. So in the first band, we have values ranging between 1 and 3,900 Kenyan pounds. So the upper boundary, you realize, is still less than 15,840. So that means we'll do our calculations by that value. Have 3,900, times the rate there, and the rate there is 2. So we have 2. So we multiply by 2. And that should give us a tax of 7,800 Kenyan shillings. And then looking at the next band, we have values between 3,901 and 7,800. 7,800 is still less than 15,840. So here we are not going to use 7,800. If we use 7,800, that means we are going to calculate this first 3,900 twice. So what we do, we get the difference first. So 7,800 minus the 3,900 we had taxed earlier on. So that gives us 3,900. And then we multiply by the rate there, which is 3. That will be 3,900 times 3. So that should give us 11,700. We continue to the next band. For the next band, we have 11,700. That is still below the taxable income. So we get the difference again. 11,700 minus 7,800. That is still 3,900. So we'll take 3,900 by the rate there, which is 4. So we have 3,900 times 4, and that should give us 15,600. So once we're done with that, the next one is 15,600. So for 15,600, we realize it's still less than the taxable income, which is 15,840. So again, we'll take 15,600 minus 11,700, and that is still 3,900. And then we'll have to multiply that by the rate, which is 5. So we have again 3,900 times 5, and that should give us 19,500. From there, we move to the next band, and the next band is this one here, between 15,601 and 19,500. So in this band here, we have the taxable income line, but for 19,500, this is way above our taxable income, so we cannot subtract these two. But instead, we are going to use whatever we had as the taxable income, and that is 15,840 minus the previous one, that is 15,600. So when we subtract, we are going to get, so in other words, what we have is 15,840 minus 15,600, and then you multiply by the rate there is 7. So that means we'll have 240 by 7, and that gives us 1,680. So what happens is that when you sum up the left hand side, that is this value, this, and this, and finally 240, the sum should give us the taxable income. And then on the right hand side, the sum of all these should give us the total tax. Total tax is the gross tax. So gross tax is the sum of all these. So when we add, what you're going to get is 56,280 Kenyan shillings per annum. But remember, we are asked the gross tax per month, so we simply do the conversion by dividing it by 12, and that should give us 4,690 Kenyan shillings per month. So with that, we can now look at the net tax. You simply take the gross tax minus sum of reliefs. So we have gross tax less sum of reliefs. So the gross tax we have as 4,690 and the sum of reliefs we have as, so in the question we are told he claimed a personal relief of 1,080 shillings per month, and that was the only relief. So that is what we subtract, so that we have 1,080, and that means that the net tax will be 3,610 Kenyan shillings per month. Finally, we are required to calculate his net monthly income. So net monthly income is obtained by simply having the gross income or total income minus all deductions. So the gross income simply includes the basic salary plus allowances. But for the deductions, we have the net tax also known as the pay as you earn, plus other deductions. These other deductions may include deductions towards insurance, SACCOs, bank loans, etc. So the net monthly income therefore is obtained by basic salary plus allowances, so that is 18,600 plus 7,800. This is 18 minus the deductions. So far we only have the net tax, which we've already obtained as 3,610, and there's no any other deduction, so this is what we subtract. So we'll have 26,400 minus 3,610, and that finally gives us 22,790 Kenyan shillings. So that is it for this question. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.